This is the Mikhail Yashinskiy F1N we did the build video for. Finally, you get to see flight footage of it. This is the ultimate low ceiling glider. There simply is none better, and I'm not afraid to say that. It's better than the cat's meow. Hand-formed hollow carbon fuselage, high precision manufacture, precision milled flaps, all the 9 yards. Let's see how it goes. If I can actually.
Mommy.
Josh, the Russians are going to take their glider back.
The Russians are going to take their glider back?
Yeah. The ground's a pilot error, making the product look bad.
Yeah, I know. I'm making it look real bad now.
You went to glide it on the video and you took it out. That's what editing's for.
Oh, okay.
There we go.
There you go. Works better when you throw it harder. Russian gliders, I mean, what's embarrassing though is watching how much better Bill flies than mine.
Bill does have some glider experience.
He does, doesn't he? Heads up, leaf coming across your head, directly across. And we'll do one more.
So what are you doing to get a transition like that?
Rudder trim mainly. And that's the majority of it. The rest of it is the mechanics of the flaps. It's like a flaring prop. So I think that should absolve all doubts as to the flying of this airplane. A whole bunch of perfect transitions you saw there. So Bill Gowan is talking about importing more of these, so stay tuned for that. Feel free to contact me if you'd like to get on a waiting list. Mind you, this is a proposed waiting list, so you have to bear in mind you're looking at probably about $80 or $90 once you get shipping included and whatnot. And also the question of when these will come into the U.S. again. But there is an effort afoot to get more of these, so they are a possibility. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed watching this aircraft have any questions about flying and whatnot, post them in the questions comment section below, and we'll see you later.